Hello, guys. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic. I think this you have already faced in your life. One second. What is that? Not sure? Let us see. I guess you at least have faced this scenario. Okay, you didn't get the topic at all. Cool. So basically, this scenario every person has faced in their life. It is family vs career. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. So I'm going to talk about this aspect of family vs career. In this aspect, there are 3 points to discuss. First, they are not aspects as well, they are scenarios. The first scenario, your family is okay with your whatever career you want to pursue. In my childhood days, I want to become a cricketer. That's what my career at that moment. But my family didn't support it. But coming to Sachin, they supported him. So that is what the first career which is supported by family. That is the first scenario. In this scenario, no offenses, no problems, nothing else. You will be supported by your family, you will get money, everything is fine, your family is happy, whatever you're doing, they will be encouraging you, all things will happen. Now, the second scenario. The second scenario is something it is 50-50. Means they want to achieve whatever they want, but you want to achieve whatever you want, but they support you partially. Means they will tell you, okay, do it in your part time or do it in your free time. They will support you in that way. The best example for this is Dhoni. So in his father, his mother told him, in your free time you can play cricket. Anyhow, you are trying to graduate. So that is a part, but first of all, concentrate on studies. Apart from that, whatever you want, you can do. So that is where 50% of your support will be given from your family to your whatever career choice you have. That is second scenario. In this scenario also, if you can achieve, if you are capable enough, there are chances that you can go ahead with your career. But you are not achieving anything. You are not capable of doing it, but still you want to do it. Then the capacity or the chances of going towards your career or whatever you choose is less. Whatever the family says, you have to stick to it because you are not capable of it, right? That is what the second scenario is. Third scenario, I believe this is the scenario almost 60 to 70% of Indians will be. That is where your family is completely opposite to whatever career you want. Completely opposite. Because of that, there are multiple Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni's, all Ganguly, Sehwag, so many people right now, they are talented, but there is no support from the family. One among them is me. So in my childhood days, I want to become a cricketer. After that, I want to become entrepreneur. Still, I want to become an entrepreneur. But because of family issues, there is no support properly. They support me in some aspects. But it's not about entrepreneurship. As society tells them, you have to go for job and all. I cannot take a step to go ahead whatever I like as my career. But I chose this as my passion. Even though I lost so much of money, still I'm okay with it. I'm trying and trying. Whatever I am earning, I'm actually keeping ahead, keeping apart from my what is that expenditure. Yes, apart from my expenditure, I am investing on myself so that not now, at least after few years, I can achieve my career. So I should achieve my career as early as possible. That's what I am trying to do, whatever is possible. So like me, there are almost 60 to 70% people. So for them, what can I suggest is only two things. One, do it whatever your family want. Apart from that, do it whatever you want or whatever you want to pursue, whatever you want to be. in your future. The second one is, it's very tough, but we have to take that. It is about leaving the family or leaving aside their opinions. We should not think about what they're talking about, anything, and what you want to achieve your dream. So go and do that. But the conclusion is, you should do something. Anyhow, you will be doing something on your own. It can be because of family, it can be because of you, it can be because of both as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope most of the people are in the third or second scenarios. First scenario is very rare, boss, very rare in India. I hope so. So if you are in the second and third scenarios, please like and comment in which particular scenario you are in right now. Thank you guys. Hope you loved this video. Thank you.